So, good day everyone. It's your boy Jazen and it's my first day doing this 1 week fitness plan. I hope you will enjoy the following happenings. Now I'm done with the warm up. So, first, this is how to execute the push-up. First, put your hands in this and execute. No, that is how you push up. I'm done doing push up. Next is plank. So tiring, so tired. Done doing planks. Next is for this day last is gonna be a curl up. Curl up. I've done doing curl ups, and the last procedure is to what is that? Cool down. So day one is done. Tomorrow I'm gonna go day 2. That's all. Hello guys, it's day 2 of my 3 days it's my second day of the 3 days exercise. Let's go. First, let's have a warm up. That I'm done with my warm up, I'm gonna go first exercise, jumping jacks. Let's start. So I've done doing a warm up. Now I'm gonna go with the planks. I did jumping jacks. Now I'm gonna go with the planks. See you. Done with doing planks. So next is curl up. Now it is gonna be different because someone will guide me. See you guys. So now I'm done doing my last exercise, which is curl ups. So now let's proceed to cool down. Good day everyone. Good day ma'am. This is my 3rd day and the last day of my exercise. Now first we will just move to warm up. By the way, I'm wearing a Sando t-shirt ma'am because it feels like I'm comfortable wearing it. Warm up was done, then now I'm gonna go with my first exercise, which is planks. Next is jogging. Oh no, jogging. Jogging is the last. Next is jumping jacks. So now ma'am, I'm done with 1 minute jumping jacks. Yeah. Next, I will proceed to my last training this day is jogging, but unfortunately, there's someone who's using the gym. There's someone using the gym where I will have my jogging, but I think I might do jogging later after they've done practicing. Guys, this is the fourth day of my 1 week 1 week fitness plan. So let's start with the warm up. Next is I'm done with the warm up. Next is planks. I'm done doing planks. Next is jumping jacks. So now I'm done doing jumping jacks. My last exercise this day is push up, and after push up, cool down. I'm done doing push up, and the last is cool down. Good day. This is my last day of my 1 week fitness plan exercise. So first is we're gonna have a warm up. Doing warm up. My first exercise this day is gonna be squat. Squat. Next is jumping jacks again. So I'm done doing squat. Jumping jacks. My last exercise for this day is gonna be push up. Now I'm done doing push up. The last step is cool down.